Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where tech tips get simple, quick, and practical. Have you ever noticed that your PC or laptop always wakes up from sleep mode, but never really hibernates? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. On many Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems, Hibernate mode isn't enabled by default. And as you can see, it's not even listed in your power options. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to enable Hibernate mode step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel. Once it pops up, open it. From here, navigate to Hardware and Sound, and then choose Power Options. Now, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You'll see an option that says Choose what the power buttons do. Click that. On the next screen, you'll notice that some options are grayed out. To fix that, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable near the top. This will unlock the hidden options. Scroll down until you see Hibernate. Simply check the box next to it, and then click Save Changes at the bottom. And that's it. Hibernate mode is now enabled. To use it, just click the Start menu, then hit the power icon. You'll see Hibernate listed alongside Sleep, Shutdown, and Restart. Click Hibernate, and your system will save your current session to disk and power down, allowing you to pick up right where you left off the next time you turn your PC back on. It's especially helpful if you're on a laptop and want to preserve your battery life without closing all your apps. If you ever want to disable Hibernate, just retrace your steps and uncheck the option. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip from Zimist Coded. See you in the next video.